Alright, that is a hailstorm. Look at that. It totally just... That was 10 seconds worth of hail. Look at it. Whoa! Some of those are huge. I mean, for Arizona hail. Wow. It's just like... Here, we're going to check you out the window, Mandy. Look at this. Oh, we're going outside. We're going outside, Mandy, because this is awesome. Look at that! Ah! All that wonderful craziness. And it sounded like 1,000 hammers on the roof all at once. Look at how much flooding we've got going on. Okay, so this is about as close to snow as we get in Phoenix. That's about it. Look how white it is. There's our white coverage.